Hi guys, my name's Sean from ConceptChemicals and welcome to another edition or episode of Ask the Professor. We've recently had a request in from a company in Poland called M&ST, and they are asking us if we would actually do some product comparisons, compare our compounding system, the surface products, against that of the 3M. So guys, we're going to flatter an area with the P-1500, and once we've flattered the area, we'll degrease all the areas, and then what we will do, we'll actually measure product out, a teaspoonful. We're going to obviously run the products from a machining perspective at 1,500 RPM with no initial startup speed, but more importantly, we're going to try and run the products for approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds, because this seems to be the optimum time frames for cutting compounds to actually work most efficiently. So we'll flat the area, we'll measure the products out, we'll time the event, and then we'll degrease at the end of the process. So let's do it. So guys, what we've actually got now, we've got the zirconite panel preps to lift any oils or fillers from the surface. So there you go guys, a product comparison as requested by M&ST in Poland, the 3M fastcut plus and its foam against that of the Surface P-12 Extra. You've obviously seen the results. I'm going to let you make your mind up as to which ones actually perform the better on this particular clear coat at this particular time. As you can see from the actual flatting process, we try to keep everything as a constant. We've used a P-1500 3M disc, we've measured products out, we've timed the event, 1 minute 30 or as close to it as we possibly can. A little bit cold in the training school today, so it took a few seconds longer just to get the products up and running. So, if you've got any comments, put them in the comment section below. If you want us to do any further product comparisons, again put it in the comment section below. If you like it, hit the like button. Failing that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you very soon for another edition of Ask the Professor.